This recipe is my cauliflower rice bowls with crispy chili eggs. It's actually become one of my boys' favorites to have for dinner, which is fantastic because it's loaded with veg and then topped with super crunchy, zingy chili eggs. Their absolute favorite. Now, when I get home from work, the last thing I want to do is get out a food processor. So I've devised a way to grate my cauliflower into little rice-sized pieces. And the great thing about cauliflower is that it comes with its own inbuilt handle. So what I do is I just grab the cauliflower and on a sharp box grater, just start grating. Look at that. It's just cutting through that cauliflower in no time. That looks like just about enough. Just going to make a really well-flavored oil to toss my cauliflower in. Very fresh olive oil. It's got a nice mid-weight flavor to it. Just lovely to carry through the oregano and the garlic. Just pop those in our oil. Give that a little mix around. Just want to flavor that oil. Okay, that looks good. Okay, in with the cauliflower. And we just want to soften that. So it only takes a couple of minutes just to soften down, 4 or 5 minutes. So just turn it over. Some salt and pepper. Season. Just gently turn it over so all of the cauliflower gets mixed in with that garlic and that beautiful, well-flavored oil. It's a really fantastic way to get a whole heap of veg into your dinner, and it's so super tasty. Okay, that's nice and soft. And the last thing I'm going to do is just add lots of baby spinach to this and fold it through. Let it wilt through the cauliflower. It's going to wilt right down, so I'm trying to jam as much goodness into this pan as I can. And if I set it aside, it'll just give me enough time to make my chili eggs. Really simple. You do need a lid. So I've actually got a saucepan lid to go over my fry pan. Just check that it fits. It does. In with some oil. This is kind of fast and furious. We want crispy chili eggs, so be generous with your olive oil. Got some sliced red chilies. Now you can use large red chilies, which have less heat, or small ones if you like it super hot. Flick that around. In with some green onions. We just want to get some color on that. Get those chilies nice and crisp. Okay, they're about halfway to crispy. So I just make 2 little holes for my eggs. One on this side. One in there. And then on with the lid. And that's going to cook it really evenly because it's going to steam the top as well. I'm going to cook it so the yolk's just soft inside. Okay, my eggs look exactly like my son Tom likes them cooked. This is his favorite dish, so let's make it for him. Big pile of veg for him. Okay, these look great. I'm really happy with these chili eggs. Beautiful, crispy chilies and green onions. And the yolks are still nice and runny, just the way Tom likes it. So this is gonna be just for him. Just these extra chilies from the pan, all crunchy and golden. Beautiful. Such a simple dinner, so much veg, so much yum. Let me just show you. This is what Tom would do at home. He'd break that egg and mix it all in with the cauliflower, and it wouldn't look like his mother was a food stylist at all. But that's gorgeous. Nice soft chili egg, cauliflower, spinach, all the good things here. I'm gonna have a taste for him. He'd want me to. Yum. So much goodness, yet so much yum. My boys are gonna be super happy when I get home tonight. That is absolutely delicious.